Eto na po, si Alexa to the rescue.
Sometimes, yung mga nangyayari, yung situation, it's out of our hands. And we can only lift that up to God.
Oh, Alexa to the rescue.
It's hard to see, it's hard to navigate, but no one said you had to do it fast. Your own face, ain't gonna lie, that hurts. But you a strong boy.
Hindi ko lahat yung Alexa, kuya.
Oh, hinarap niya agad si ating Alexa. Go, Alexa! Ay na si Alexa, to the rescue again. Laging nandyan sa tabi ni KD.
I know this sucks. I know this hurts more than anything in the world right now. But it will make you stronger. And it will equip you for the next special someone that will come into your life.
It's you.
Are you okay?
It's you, Alexa.
Always, always give your heart space to breathe.
Wow.
I had an anxiety attack a few months ago.
He may be diagnosing me with major depressive disorder.
Eto na po, si Alexa to the rescue.
Multiple times.
Oh, see,
But
that's why.
you're being saved multiple times also.
Complete naman. Very positive advice, si Alexa.
But sometimes, yung mga nangyayari, yung situation, it's out of our hands. And we can only lift that up to God. Okay?
I had an anxiety attack.
Gusto mo silang tulungan pero hindi mo alam kung paano. Ayokong ma-feel mag-isa siya. Or mahiya siya kasi gusto ko part siya lagi.
Yeah.
No one should feel that way. No one should feel alone. No one should feel that way.
You don't have to blame yourself for having this condition. It's not your fault.
Eto na po, si Alexa to the rescue.
I don't want to be here.
Don't think that. Everyone here does not have a choice but to nominate.
Totoo naman.
Labag sa loob.
Lahat kayo sa
ayaw.
Sa ayaw at sa gusto nyo. Lalabas kayo lahat dyan at isa lang matitira.
The anything to be multiple times.
Oh, see,
But
that's why.
you're being saved multiple times also.
Complete naman. Very positive advice, si Alexa.
But you're being saved multiple times also.
Tama nga naman.
Don't think that they don't want you here.
Napaka-mature ni Alexa, no? Na mag-advise.
Okay. It's okay to cry. But don't blame yourself, KD. Okay.
It just hurts so much.
I know. I understand.
Ang maganda lang dito, no, may nakukuhang support system itong si Katie at itong si Alexa Ilacad, no, na alam kong nagiging parang ate-ate niya rito, no. Ang alam ko, somehow naging ate din ni Katie itong si Alexa, no, dito sa loob ng bahay, no. Yung mag-aakala, no, nasa labas sila pala yung magiging love team, no.
Sometimes, yung mga nangyayari, yung situation, it's out of our hands. And we can only lift that up to God. Okay?
Sincere na sincere itong pag-advise ni Alexa ditong kay KD, no? Parang nanggaling din ako dyan. Parang na-experience ko na yan. You'll get through this. Parang ganun yung ibig niya sabihin kay KD, no?
And we can only lift that up to God. Okay?
Tingnan niyo yung yakap ni KD kaya, no?
Up to God. Okay?
And I'm sorry that I still just feel the same way.
Oh, no.
But I just want you to know, I wish you knew how much hurt I've got through the past few months when I had this condition. I felt it way before. In all these months, just to hear you say that you never felt the same, And I wish it was just me instead of Kuya John. So I could go somewhere else. So I could go somewhere else.
Masaya sana ikaw at
Say that you never felt the same. Thank you na lang for... Thank you for giving me love.
Ganda niya. But
Napaka-sincere makinig ni Alexa, no? Tingnan mo.
every time I see her,
Talagang tutok na
can't
tutok
help
kay
but
KD.
smile.
Hinilig pa siya. Alexa is really a good listener, no? Ito, Alexa, to the rescue. Go, Alexa. Don't let KD be alone. Alexa. Please lang, Alexa. Do it for KD.
I still feel that way, but for some reason it hurts that she still doesn't love me back.
Of course, it's gonna hurt, love. No one said that was easy.
Ang ganda ni Alexa, oh. No? Grabe naman si KD. Umiiyak na naman. Pinupuri ko lang tong si Alexa na napakaganda. On the other side naman, itong si KD, emotional na, paiyak na naman. Salamat talaga. Nandiyan si Alexa. Thank you, Alexa.
Pain. It's hard to see, it's hard to navigate, but no one said you had to do it fast. At your own pace, I ain't gonna lie. That hurts. But you a strong boy.
Hindi ko lahat yung Alexa, Kuya.
Hinarap niya agad si ating Alexa. Go, Alexa! Ay na si Alexa, to the rescue again. Laging nandyan sa tabi ni KD. Sadyang napakabait na itong si Alexa, no? Para siyang anghel ni KD na hulog ng langit at nagbibigay ng comfort dito kay KD, no? Thank you po sa'yo, Alexa, for being the pillar of strength dito kay KD, no? Ipinaparamdam mo sa kanya na huwag siyang mag-give up at lagi kang nandyan sa tabi niya when he needs you. Well, I really love the genuine heart of Alexa, no? Ang genuine comfort niya kay KD. We can all agree that we want a friend like Alexa in our lives. Well, ako, gustong-gusto kong magkaroon ng kaibigan na gaya po ni Miss Alexa na bukod sa maganda na ay may maganda pang puso, no? I'm so glad and thankful na andito si Alexa para kay KD, no? And I'm so glad na may KD Lex na po tayo. Thank you. See that? See that embrace? The comfort?
I thought I was getting better. Then this happened.
I thought I was getting better. And then this is happened.
Ilabas na natin si Angie sa buhay mo. And let's focus on you and only you, okay?
I know this sucks. I know this hurts more than anything in the world right now. But it will make you stronger and it will equip you for the next special someone that will come into your life.
It's you.
Are you okay?
It's you, Alexa. For the next special someone that will come into your life. Sabi gano'n ni Alexa. Wala siyang ka-idea, no? Na siya pala yung magiging next special someone netong si KD. Outside world. Yes! KD Lex, magingay! See that? See that comfort? Netong si Alexa. Grabe. Thank you, Alexa.
Take your time and help yourself, okay? Only you. We focus on you. And you can get better without her.
Ayoko lang po yan nung parang baka ma-feel ni KD na mag-isa lang siya.
At si KD, tila pinoproseso pa ang naging usapan nila ni Angie.
masaya sana ikaw at ako.
Sometimes, you know, two people are not meant to be. Do you get what I'm trying to say? And I know it still hurts.
Parang nagiging emotional na naman ako eh.
Always give your heart space to breathe.
Wow! Oh, narinig niyo yun? Gotta find your next muse. Wow! It's you, Alexa. He just found you.
He may be diagnosing me with major depressive disorder caused by body dysmorphia. When I look in the mirror, I feel disgusted. I despise
No,
the
Alexa.
person I see in the mirror.
Para sa inyo ba, ay mataba talaga si Alexa o chubby?
My body type was really different from all the other girls.
Oo.
That made me hate myself. You can feel how painful it is.
I had an anxiety attack a few months ago.
He may be diagnosing me with major depressive disorder.
Wala nang masihigit pa sa ina. Kahit ano pang award na napanalunan ko, kahit ano pang achievements ko sa buhay, I always go back and celebrate my mother more than anything. Lahat ng sakit na pinagdaanan ko being in this industry, she gets hurt a trillion times more than I do. So, grabe talaga ang mother's love. Walang papantay doon. Ipagmamalaki kita sa buong mundo.
Alexa being a loving daughter. Grabe naman to. Iyakan naman to. Ang hirap na ito para kay Miss Alexa Ilacad. Wala, naawa ko kay Miss Alexa Ilacad, no? Kapag daanan niya pala yung ganito. Ang hirap.
Hi, Ma! Alexa! Hi, Ma!
Sweet.
Hi! Magpaka-type ka lang dyan. Be strong lang, di ba? Kaya mo, bilib na bilib kami sa'yo. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Yeah, Alexa, kaya mo yan. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Mga bats dito, no, sa Pinoy Big Brother, dito rin nga po natin na-discover yung pinagdadaanan ni Miss Alexa Ilacad about her physical appearance, no, ay her body. At ito nga ay yung body dysmorphia.
Major depressive disorder caused by body dysmorphia.
At nagawa po natin na reaction video itong pinagdadaanan ni Miss Alexa Ilacad, no, dealing with this body dysmorphia.
Major depressive disorder caused by body dysmorphia.
Body dysmorphia. And this body dysmorphia, mga buds, is really a serious matter, no, as it's a medical condition, mental health condition.
Singing, performing, being in front of the camera.
I love her voice, mga buds. Very soothing, no? Mga buds dito, no, sa Pinoy Big Brother, dito rin nga po natin na-discover yung pinagdadaanan ni Miss Alexa Ilacad about her physical appearance, no, ay her body. At ito nga ay yung body dysmorphia.
Major depressive disorder caused by body dysmorphia.
At nagawa po natin na reaction video itong pinagdadaanan ni Miss Alexa Ilacad, no, dealing with this body dysmorphia.
Major depressive disorder caused by body dysmorphia.
Body dysmorphia. And this body dysmorphia, mga buds, is really a serious matter, no, as it's a medical condition, mental health condition. Ang paliwanag na dito ay hindi niya nagugustuhan yung nakikita niya, no, sa sarili niya, sa mirror, when she looks at the mirror. Sabi niya ay ayaw niya yung nakikita niya.
When I look in the mirror, I feel disgusted.
Body dysmorphia, for example, I don't really see myself in a good light. Iba yung nakita ko sa salamin.
See?
When I look at the mirror, I don't like what I see.
When I look in the mirror, I feel disgusted.
She don't actually like the way she look. Yung nakikita niya daw sa mirror.
So it's so hard to explain. That's why I see a psychiatrist.
Nag-seek din po ng help itong si Miss Alexa Ilacad.
Ginusto kausapin ni Alexa ang resident psychologist ng bahay na si Doc Randy.
Tinatingin po siya ni Big Brother sa psychiatrist about her condition. About this body dysmorphia nga, no, na kinonsult muna niya kay mom niya. Kung pwede siya mag-consult sa doctor, pinaalam muna niya sa mom.
Mami, kasi I was diagnosed with major depression disorder caused by body dysmorphia. So, sabi ko kay kuya na as my mom, na you have the right to know what's happening to me.
Ganyan po ka-respectful itong si Miss Alexa Ilacad natin. She even asked for her mom's consent. Before siya makipag-consult sa psychiatrist o sa doctor to help her about this body dysmorphia. And her mom, Dina, is really a very supportive mother.
You're a strong woman, di ba? You're a strong woman. Just keep on fighting. As long as you don't give up, It's fine.
Like Katie Estrada, no? Marami po tayong na-discover din dito sa video na ito, no? Dito kay Miss Alexa Ilacad about how she overcomes this body dysmorphia and how she deal with it. I guess that's it mga buds. I hope you like this video mga buds. And if you like this video, syempre, don't forget to like this video and subscribe na po sa ating channel. And pakiclick na rin po yung notification bell dyan para po updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. Yeah, see you guys next video. Bye! Thank you for watching po. See you next vlog. Bye!